Millions of people trust these brands with their hair. Some customers swear by them. Others say they wish they'd never used them. Over the years, these 5 popular hair care companies have faced lawsuits, controversy, and allegations linked to hair loss. So, what happened? And what can these cases teach consumers today? What if a product designed to replace shampoo became one of the biggest controversies in hair care history? For years, Wen marketed itself as a revolutionary alternative to traditional shampoos. Its cleansing conditioners promised softer, healthier hair, without the harsh effects that some people associated with regular shampoos. The brand gained enormous popularity through television advertising, celebrity endorsements, and loyal customers who swore by the products. Everything seemed to be going well, until thousands of consumers began reporting troubling experiences. Some users claimed that experienced excessive hair shedding, hair breakage, bald spots, and scalp irritation after using Wen products. The number of complaints grew so large that regulators took notice, and the controversy quickly became national news. The situation raised concerns among consumers because hair loss can be emotionally distressing. Many people invest significant time and money into maintaining their appearance, so allegations involving hair damage naturally attract attention. Wen pushed back against the allegations. The company insisted its products were safe and argued that the complaints didn't prove the products were responsible. But by then, the controversy had already exploded across the country. Nevertheless, the legal controversy eventually led to a major settlement that drew even more public attention to the case. Whether the products were responsible for every complaint remains a matter of debate, but the controversy had a lasting impact on the beauty industry. It demonstrated how quickly consumer concerns can spread and how important product safety perceptions are in the hair care market. Most importantly, the Wen case encouraged many consumers to pay closer attention to how their hair and scalp respond to new products, rather than assuming that a popular brand will work equally well for everyone. But Wen wasn't the only company facing controversy. Could a common ingredient hidden in a shampoo bottle become the center of a major legal battle? OGX built its reputation on attractive packaging, affordable prices, and a wide range of products designed for different hair types. Walk into almost any beauty store, and chances are you'll find several OGX products on the shelves. The brand became especially popular among consumers looking for salon-inspired results without salon-level prices. However, the company later found itself facing lawsuits involving one particular ingredient, DMDM hydrantoin. This preservative has been used in various cosmetic products for years because it helps prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms. Critics argued that the ingredient could release small amounts of formaldehyde over time and alleged that it contributed to hair loss and scalp irritation. As news of the lawsuit spread online, social media became flooded with discussions from consumers sharing personal experiences. Some users reported hair thinning, while others claimed they experienced increased shedding after using certain products. The company disputed the allegations and defended the safety of its products. Like many product-related lawsuits, the legal arguments involved complex scientific questions that are not always easy for consumers to evaluate. What made the OGX controversy particularly significant was how it changed public conversations about ingredient labels. Before the lawsuits, many consumers paid little attention to the long list of ingredients printed on the back of a shampoo bottle. Afterwards, ingredient awareness became a major trend. Consumers started researching preservatives, fragrances, and other additives in personal care products. Regardless of the ultimate legal outcomes, the controversy encouraged people to become more informed about the products they use every day. But OGX wasn't the only major brand facing questions. The next company had spent decades building trust with consumers, which made the allegations even more surprising. Can a household name trusted for decades suddenly find itself facing allegations that damage its reputation? TRESemmé has long been one of the most recognizable names in hair care. Known for promoting salon-quality results at affordable prices, the brand became a staple in countless households around the world. Its products are widely available and often recommended for people seeking professional-looking hair without professional-level costs. That reputation faced challenges when lawsuits were filed concerning certain keratin-based products. Plaintiffs alleged that some ingredients contained in the products contributed to hair loss, scalp irritation, and related issues. As with many cases involving cosmetic products, determining exactly what causes hair loss can be complicated. Hair shedding may result from stress, medical conditions, genetics, nutrition, hormonal changes, or reactions to specific products. Because of this complexity, legal disputes involving hair care products often become highly contested. That's exactly why the story caught so much attention. Tresemme was already sitting in millions of bathrooms around the world, a true household name. Consumers who had used the products for years suddenly began asking questions about ingredients they had never previously considered. The company denied wrongdoing and defended the safety of its products. Yet the situation highlighted an important reality about consumer goods. Even well-established companies can face legal scrutiny and public criticism. For many consumers, the Tresemme controversy served as a reminder that reputation alone should not replace informed decision-making. Reading instructions carefully, monitoring scalp health, and paying attention to changes in hair condition remain important, regardless of how popular a product may be. The case also demonstrated how rapidly public perception can shift when legal allegations enter the conversation. The next brand story is even more surprising.
What happens when a beloved brand suddenly faces criticism from some of its most loyal customers? Mielle Organics built a strong reputation by offering products designed specifically for textured and natural hair. The brand developed a passionate customer base and earned praise from many users who credited its products with helping them achieve healthier hair growth and improved hair care routines. Its popularity grew even further through social media, where influencers and everyday consumers frequently recommended the products to friends and followers. However, the same social media platforms that helped build the brand's reputation later became the source of controversy. Increasing numbers of users began posting videos and testimonials alleging hair shedding, thinning, breakage, and scalp irritation after using certain products. The volume of complaints generated intense debate online. Some consumers insisted the products had caused problems, while others continued to report positive experiences and defended the brand. As concerns spread, legal actions and public scrutiny followed. The controversy became one of the most discussed topics in the hair care community, attracting attention far beyond the brand's original customer base. The company rejected claims that its products were unsafe and emphasized its commitment to product quality and customer satisfaction. One reason the controversy gained so much attention was that it illustrated the growing power of social media. In previous decades, consumer complaints might have remained isolated. Today, a single video can reach millions of viewers within days. The Mielle situation demonstrated how quickly online discussions can influence public perception, brand reputation, and consumer purchasing decisions. It also reminded consumers that personal experiences with hair products can vary significantly from one individual to another. But if Mielle's controversy surprised people, the final brand on this list may have shocked the beauty industry even more. This may be the most surprising name on the list, because many people considered it one of the most trusted brands in modern hair care. Olaplex became famous for its technology designed to help repair damaged hair bonds. The brand gained widespread popularity among professional stylists, beauty influencers, and consumers seeking solutions for chemically treated or damaged hair. Its products developed a premium reputation, and many customers viewed the brand as one of the industry's success stories. That is why many people were surprised when lawsuits alleged that some users experienced hair loss, hair breakage, and scalp irritation after using certain products. The allegations generated significant media attention because Olaplex had spent years building a reputation centered on hair repair and restoration. The company strongly denied the claims and maintained that its products were safe and effective when used properly. Company representatives pointed to extensive testing and emphasized that millions of consumers had used the products successfully. Nevertheless, the controversy sparked discussions throughout the beauty industry. Consumers began debating ingredient safety, product expectations, and the challenges of determining whether a specific product is responsible for hair-related problems. Hair health is influenced by many factors, including genetics, nutrition, medical conditions, stress levels, and styling practices. Because of this, proving a direct connection between a product and hair loss can be difficult. Even so, the Olaplex controversy became one of the most widely discussed hair care stories in recent years because it involved a brand that many consumers regarded as a premium industry leader. The situation serves as a reminder that even highly respected brands can become the focus of legal disputes and public debate.
What can consumers learn from all of these controversies? First, popularity does not guarantee that a product will be the right choice for every person. Hair types, scalp conditions, sensitivities, and lifestyles vary significantly from one individual to another. Second, paying attention to ingredients and product instructions is always a good idea. While ingredient names can seem complicated, becoming familiar with what you're putting on your hair can help you make more informed decisions. Third, remember that allegations and lawsuits are not the same as proven facts. Companies often dispute claims, and legal cases can take years to resolve. Perhaps the biggest lesson is to listen to your own hair. If a product causes unusual irritation, excessive shedding, or discomfort, consider consulting a qualified professional and reevaluating your routine. The goal isn't to fear every hair care product. It's to become a smarter consumer. By staying informed and paying attention to how products affect you personally, you'll be in a much better position to choose the hair care products that work best for your needs.